Hey, how y'all doing? Might as well say tonight. I'm just kind of going through a little emotional thing today. Missing my father. It's been 2 years since he passed away, and just kind of going through something today. You know, for you all who know how it feels to lose a parent, I mean, it's just a continuous hole in your heart. And it won't heal. Especially if you had talked to your father. Put this on there, right? Especially if you haven't talked to your father prior to him passing away. It had been like a year and I hadn't spoke to my father. And when I seen him, he couldn't talk to me. He had 2 strokes. And I tend to, at times, I regretted that I hadn't talked to him. And it's a hurtful feeling. When you don't get a chance to say goodbye. It's like every now and then you have your days where you just go off and you just think about them. I laugh because my father, he was real funny. He was silly too. And don't let him get no alcoholism, because he's real emotional. And I tend to be, like that. I get very emotional. Okay, if I have a glass of wine, I'm emotional. I'm crying. I get to calling on the phone, get to calling my brothers, my friends. They be like, you must have had something to drink. Because I get to tell them how much I love them. And sometimes when you drink alcohol, brings out your emotions and, how you really feel. And it brings out how a person really feels about you, too. If people got things on their mind of how they really feel about you, when they get drunk, it'll come out. Today was just, I had a good day today. I laughed. Me and Light Bright, we was dancing today and, and talking. And I worked some today. I work from home. But as time went on, I got to looking at some pictures of my father, and I started hurting. Me and my father had this thing where I would always, when I was a little girl, I'd take my jaw and rub it against his because I liked the way that his beard felt. I know in time that I will meet him again. I will see him again. And I know he's always with me. Oh, this is some chicken Alfredo. And I had put like some mozzarella and cheddar cheese up over it. And I got broccoli and potatoes in it. Y'all know I love chicken. I'm sorry if I'm not as bubbly as I normally be. Like I said, it's just kind of an emotional day for me. And I just felt like I wanted to share that with y'all. So if I'm not burping as much and, jolly, everybody has their days where they, they go through things and, whether it's personal things or, your kids or, relationships, bills, whatever. And like I said, I noticed, y'all have become my family, a part of me. So when I'm going through something, y'all gonna see it. And I just want y'all to know that I just really, really, really appreciate, you all. I know I'm looking into a camera, but, I know I'm talking to y'all. And it helps. And then y'all give me the comments of, like I said before, inspiration and get well and the smiley faces and the hearts. And when I tell y'all that I love y'all, I truly mean it from my heart. Because when people are important to you, to me, every day, you need to express how much you appreciate and you love someone. They might not be physically there in front of you, or you might not see them, but you develop a friendship and you develop feelings for the people who you communicate with every day. Communication is everything. And by me, I read y'all comments. I'm starting to get more and more comments, and it be a lot of them be inspiring, especially my faithful subscribers. I feel like you part of me. So when you tell me, and you know who you are, Odom, that I watched you, I'm at work, and and it was a good video, it inspires me. It gives me that extra push. And like I said, Trenton, I see you. I see you commented. It helps. So don't think that these is just videos that I'm just doing. I enjoy doing these videos. I had to find my niche. First, I was just sitting down there like I'm doing now, just talking. But I enjoy doing my ASMR. I'm really a fun person. The burping and the farting, it doesn't bother me. It's natural. People might say, oh my God, you too old to be doing that. It's disrespectful. But I'm just being me. I'm being me. And people who know me, I'm always acting silly. I'm a people person. I love people. I can be in the store and talk to a stranger for hours. That's just me. So as time, go on, y'all get to know me better and better because, my life is open. It's open to you. You're not going to see everything that goes on, but most majority of the time, if I'm going through something, you will know it. In my heart, I was watching today, about the young man that got shot mistakenly by the police officer. My heart go out to his family. And then the young man, I think it was about 3 or 4 young men that were in the car, and they was at a party, 15 years old, and they shot into, the police officer shot into the car because the teenagers took off. And one young man got shot in the head. You just never know. That's why I say you have to live each and every day to the fullest. Don't let nothing bother you. Don't be stressed out about bills. You cannot worry because stress brings on illnesses and sickness. I think I gave myself today a little bit too much. My stomach, I'm full. And I just, wanted to come to y'all tonight and just tell y'all how much I really and I truly mean it. It's just not, me just doing videos, but I look forward to doing the videos. I be excited. And I just want y'all to know that I love y'all. And y'all have a good night. And be blessed and be safe out there. If you notice, I always put be safe. So, sorry I couldn't give y'all the burps that I normally give, but I'm kind of going through something right now. And I love you, and I'll be seeing y'all later. Peace.